both sides, divide by 6. We have x equals 5 over 6. Okay. Now the only thing is they didn't ask us to solve it. They asked us to find 2 points on the graph. Okay. But we did solve for these two, so we're going to take those two and plug them into the original function. And we're going to continue that on the next page. So I'll leave that up there for a few more seconds. Looks like everyone's done writing. Okay, so we know that x is equal to negative 5 over 3, and x is equal to 5 over 6. And we have our original equation of f of x equals 18x squared plus 15x minus 10. Our original function. Okay, so now we just plug them both in. So for x equals negative 5 over 3, that's f of negative 5 over 3, which is equal to 18 times negative 5 over 3 squared plus 15 times negative 5 over 3 minus 10. Oh, straighten that up a little. Okay, so if we simplify this, negative 5 over 3 squared, negative times negative will give us positive. So we have 5 squared, which is 25, over 3 squared, which is 9. Positive times negative is negative, so we know that's going to be negative. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So we have negative 5 times 5, which is negative 25, minus 10. Okay, now for this term, 9 goes into 9 one time. 9 goes into 18 twice. So we end up with 2 times 25 minus 25 minus 10. 2 times 25 gives us 50 minus 25 minus 10. So 50 minus 25 is 25. 25 minus 10 is 15. Okay, so we know that f of negative 5 over 3 equals 15, which we can rewrite as the point negative 5 over 3, 15, which is our first point on the graph. So point number 1 on the graph. Okay. Now if we plug in x equals 5 over 6, bring that up just a little bit. Uh-oh. So we plug in x equals 5 over 6. We do the exact same thing. That means f of 5 over 6 is equal to 18 times 5 over 6 squared plus 15 times 5 over 6 minus 10.